Okay, the nailers are in place and I nailed the bottom board, and now I'm ready to get the long one. I just put that short one in up there. So now I'm ready to get the next long one to go across there, right across there. I'd like to get at least a couple screws in it. That way I don't have no squirrels are going to be going in there. I don't think they have yet, but it's only a matter of time they're going to discover this hole into the attic. Okay, let's see if we can get that on there. It's about time to quit. Sprinkling a little bit. Maybe I quit for a little bit here. So, just going to try to match up the end here and over there, and I should be straight. So, I think I'll move the ladder a little bit and try to do it right here in the center. Okay, it's looking better. It's going to look a lot better once we start putting the other boards on.